parasites that infect and manipulate their host. These are the top 10 of the most terrifying parasites on Earth. Prepare to be fascinated for the top one, the most terrifying parasite known to mankind. Number 10. Eye-infesting worm. Loa, often referred to as the eye worm, is a parasitic roundworm that causes loiasis. This disease is prevalent in the rainforests and swamps of West and Central Africa. The primary method of transmission is through the bite of infected deer flies, also known as mango or mangrove flies. When an infected fly bites a human, it injects the parasitic larvae into the bloodstream. These larvae mature into adult worms, which can live in the subcutaneous tissue for up to 15 years. Female worms release microfilaria into the bloodstream. Number 9. Toxocara canis. A roundworm commonly found in dogs can make the jump to humans in a terrifying way. When humans ingest the eggs, the larvae can migrate to various organs, including the eyes and brain, causing a condition known as toxocariasis. This parasite makes that nightmare a reality. Number 8. Schistosoma. These flatworms invade the bloodstream through the skin, where they settle into the blood vessels. It triggers chronic inflammation, organ damage, and even cancer, with millions affected worldwide. Number 7. Plasmodium, a microscopic killer behind malaria, one of the deadliest diseases in the world. This single-celled parasite is transmitted through the bite of an infected mosquito and hijacks the host's red blood cells, causing fever, chills, and potentially death. Number 6. Trichinella spiralis. Imagine sitting down to enjoy a meal, only to realize later that your food was contaminated. Trichinella spiralis is a microscopic roundworm that causes trichinosis, a disease contracted from eating undercooked meat infected with the parasite's larvae. Once inside the human body, these larvae burrow into muscle tissues, causing intense pain and inflammation. This parasite turns a simple dinner into a life-threatening disease. Number 5. Tapeworms. These flatworms are the stuff of nightmares, growing up to 30 feet long inside the intestines of their hosts. They absorb nutrients directly from the host's food, leaving their victim malnourished and weak. But it doesn't stop there. Some species can even influence the host's behavior, making them more reckless and increasing the chances of the parasite being transmitted to another host. Number 4. Guinea worm. This worm, which can grow up to 1 meter long, burrows into the body after a person drinks contaminated water. Once inside, it takes up to a year to mature before painfully emerging through the skin, causing excruciating blisters. The agony doesn't end there. Removing the worm is a slow, painful process that can take weeks as the parasite is carefully wound out of the body inch by inch. Number 3. Zombie ant fungus. It infects ants and takes control of their central nervous system. The fungus forces the ant to climb to a specific height on a plant, clamped down with its mandibles, and wait. As the ant dies, the fungus sprouts a stalk through the ant's head, releasing spores to infect more ants. This parasite's ability to turn a living creature into a puppet of its will is nothing short of horrifying. Number 2. Saculina. It is a parasitic barnacle that turns crabs into zombie-like servants, pushing the boundaries of what we understand about biological control. When Saculina invades a crab, it castrates the male and feminizes the female, transforming them into living incubators for its offspring. The crab becomes a mere shell of its former self, completely devoted to the parasite's needs. And finally, at the top of our list, the Toxoplasma gondii. This single-celled organism infects a wide range of animals, including humans. But its most infamous trait is its ability to alter the behavior of its hosts, particularly rodents. Infected rodents lose their fear of cats, making them more likely to be caught and eaten. This completes the parasite's life cycle, allowing it to spread to new hosts. But it doesn't stop there. Research suggests that Toxoplasma gondii may even influence human behavior, linking it to risk-taking and possibly even mental health disorders. It's a parasite that has the power to control minds, making it the most insidious and invasive parasite known to mankind. We've journeyed into a world often hidden from view, where survival is a relentless battle. These parasites, masters of adaptation, have pushed the boundaries of what we consider life. Yet amidst the horror, there lies the truth. Are we alone in this struggle, or are there other forces at play, manipulating us from shadows we cannot see? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Ignite your curiosity and expand your horizons. Subscribe to Dopamindz. Become the smartest person in the room. Every week is a new adventure filled with mind-boggling insights. We will give you something to talk about with your friends and family and make you look like the most interesting person in the room. Subscribe now and unlock your inner genius.